After more than 2 decades of service and 7 years of operations in Tobago, Crime Stoppers Trinidad and Tobago is gearing up for a new era of community engagement. At the launch of the new campaign on Saturday, President of the Tobago Tourism and Hospitality Association, Chris James, said, "It is up to us to regain control so that law-abiding citizens can rest comfortably." He highlighted the negative effect crime has had on Tobago.
Crime has also affected our biggest industry, tourism. All the millions of dollars that we spend on tourism, marketing, can be wasted with 1 or 2 incidents of crime. So it's important from 2 points of view. First of all, the peace of mind of the people that live here, but also for our economic survivability.
Pointing to the successes of the Crime Stoppers program and caller's anonymity, he noted that in its 25 years of operations, not one tipster has been identified.
1,723 people have been arrested because of tips through Crime Stoppers. Stolen property recovered. Over $28 million worth of stolen property have been recovered because of Crime Stoppers. Narcotics seized, over 300 million. Narcotics, value of narcotics recovered. Firearms, 426 firearms have been recovered. And the list goes on.
Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister, Gender and Child Affairs, Ayanna Webster Roy, again urged the people of Trinidad and Tobago to share the information required to curb crime and violence.
As government, we are trying to implement, for the first time in Trinidad and Tobago, an action plan based on women, peace and security, using women and the principles around women, peace and security to address gang and gun violence in Trinidad and Tobago. But no action plan could work unless information comes into us.
She reiterated there are various ways for members of the public to safely communicate and disseminate information.
So if you're not comfortable to reach out to the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, know that you have a confidential, reliable platform through the Crime Stoppers initiative, where you could call them or go online, reach out through the app, send the information so that we could take the necessary steps.
The CSTT is a community-based, non-profit, non-military organization managed by a civilian volunteer board of directors. With over 22,000 tips received and nearly 1,700 arrests made since 1999, Crime Stoppers Trinidad and Tobago said it has proven its effectiveness in combating crime. Jason John, TTT News.